Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Addie, and today we are making peppered Ponmo. Spicy, delicious, soft, because you don't want to make it too hot. You want to be and like, you know, you're getting a headache before you taste the flavor. Soft, decadent, peppered Ponmo, best finger food, because you know Nigerian people, we can eat meats for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. We just like pepper and we like meat. So today I'm going to be preparing for you my favorite appetizer, peppered Ponmo. Before we go any further, make sure that you are following me on social media to get like updates. Like last week, like this week actually, we did a live on how to make the perfect ribeye steak. Make sure you follow me on IG and Snapchat, also my Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification, and give this video a thumbs up because you know it's worth it. Alright guys, if you know me, you know I like to use my Instapot for every freaking thing. Salt. I'm going to put bay leaf in here. I rinse mine before I toss it in. Just like, that much is enough. Oh, put in there. Onion powder. Roasted garlic. Bouillon. Oop, 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 oop. Just a little bit because it is a very, very potent seasoning. So just enough water to cover the top. I want my broth from this Ponmo to be very thick and concentrated so I can use it in my sauce. Let's stick this in the Instapot. We're going to put in the meat and cover the lid so it can turn into a pressure cooker because we want this to be absolutely soft. So our Ponmo has been pressure cooked. It's soft. Now we're going to take it off the Instapot. And my Instapot is right here. Remember, I want to keep the broth. So I'm going to take a strainer and pour it in. And see, this is what it looks like right now. It's soft, decadent. Look at that. I'm gonna take my bay leaf out. Okay. Stick it back there. Nobody wants to eat bay leaf. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to blend my pepper. So to make this recipe, honestly, you're gonna need three things. As far as the peppered base, onion, bell pepper, and atarodo habanero peppers. Okay, so I got my five. I'm gonna get my blender. I'm gonna use my Ninja because I don't want to put any water in here. And if you have a blender that is not like a Ninja, you want to put as little water as you can get away with. So I'm gonna take my Ninja. I want it to be chunky. I want it to be chopped and chunky. I don't want it to be too blended. One second. And here we have my Ninja. What's up, my Ninja? So we have our Ninja here. I'm gonna open it up, release the lid. Cut my onions. You're gonna need 2 onions for this, but I'm going to use my entire large onion. Put it in here. Take my bell pepper, the same thing, seed it. I like to see the seeds in my pepper base. I'm gonna take my habanero. I'm gonna take my habanero peppers and just put it in there. My atarodo, I'm going to put in my atarodo. Okay? So with little to no water, I'm using absolutely no water. I'm going to put this on, set this on pause. Take it out. Spank it a little bit. I'm sure you've been a bad girl, blender. You've been a bad girl. Okay, so a bit more. Okay, I think we're just about done. Alright, so I'm going to turn on my induction cooker and put it on about medium. Yeah, I'm putting it on like 7, so like medium high. And today I am using corn oil, and I'm going to abundantly put some oil in here because I really want to fry the living daylight out of this sauce. Okay, put this aside. I'm gonna let this get warm. So I'm gonna put it right here. While we're doing that, we're going to slice our onion that we're going to use to plate and make it pretty. Okay, so bottom, top, remove the skin. Bam. All right, I'm going to make big chunks slices because I want this to really stand on top of. You see how thick that is? Big slices. And honestly, half is more than enough. I'm gonna save this for my afang soups. Set this aside. We can go back to frying. I'm gonna move this right back over here. The oil is getting hot. It's hot, so I'm going to take a spoon, preferably a spoon with like slants cut into it, so you can furthermore press out the water. Ooh, look at that. We're making heat now. We want to fry this sauce. Right? I'm gonna turn down this light because we're making way too much heat for my camera. Just try to scrape as much as you can. You see how chunky that is? I'm gonna raise the heat a little bit. You see how chunky that is? That is exactly what I am looking for. Yes, sis. Yes. And we're gonna fry this, okay? Cover it and let it fry a little bit until the oil is sitting on the top, okay? While that's kind of busy doing its business, we're gonna get our seasoning together. Maggi, bouillon, okay? Roasted garlic powder, onion powder, salt, okay? And this magic syrup. It's all in one seasoning, and I got it from the Asian supermarket. So I've tried it, I love it. Do not put it on okra or any draw soup because it's gonna just ruin it. But it's good for seasoning meat. I wouldn't put it on meat that I wouldn't put in draw soup either because it's gonna ruin it. But it's good for seasoning meat that's going to regular soup and for soup. It's not coming to me because I'm looking at this slide and I'm drawing a blank. So I'm gonna put this aside. So every now and then make sure that you are stirring because this is a stainless steel pot and we do not want it to burn. So go ahead and give it a good stir. It's all about your preference. I don't like tomatoes. I think the only thing I put tomato in is like my pari jollof. That is the only thing that deserves a tomato from me is my what? My pari jollof. If there's not pari jollof, I'm not putting tomato inside of it. Ew. No. Okay, so it's frying. I'm gonna increase the heat a little bit more. It's not quite done. It still needs to fry just a little bit more. Just make sure you're stirring. I'm gonna cover it up some more. So while this is cooking, I'm going to take my ponmo and I'm going to cut it into bite size because you want to be able to eat this in one bite, right? You want to be able to just stick a toothpick in it and eat it in one bite. So I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller. Look how soft that is. This is how soft you want your ponmo. You want to be able to slice down and wow. You don't want to be chewing for kingdom come. Nobody got time for that. So we're not trying to get buka sauce fried here, but just need to fry just a little bit more, a little bit longer. So I like to season when my pepper has been fried almost to where I like it. When I'm getting to the place that I'm liking it, that is when I put salt, Maggi, sherere. Now we can start seasoning. Okay? Always I start with salt. Salt to taste, okay? Don't use the poor part. Okay? I try not to put too much salt in here because there is salt in Maggi as well, so don't over salt. So then I'm going to pour in this all-in-one mixed garlic powder. About 1 tablespoon is fine. About 1 teaspoon. So now I'm going to put in my ponmo. And you see how small I cut it? That is the size we're going for because you can just stick your toothpick in it and pick it and eat it without looking like a hungry hippo. So just put in your ponmo. I know I said we're gonna save the the broth, but it looks like we don't need this because we have just enough sauce. Okay? And look at that. Oh, zazzy! We don't need to cook this any longer. The pepper is on there. Now we can start to plate. So I'm plating with my serving bowl that I've gotten from Red Vanilla Home on Wayfair. Look at that. It's thick. It's beautiful. It is definitely for gourmet plating, and it just gives a nice, you know, distinguish. It gives a nice distinguished character to your meal. So we're gonna plate now. I'm gonna take this. Don't mind me, honestly. You will see me and think this girl did not go to school, but I promise I have a degree in something. I'm plating. I'm going to try to get as little sauce on this as I can. Okay? So next I'm going to take my onion and kind of loosen it a little bit so it's in ringlets, and I'm going to just place little ringlets on here. And doesn't this look absolutely beautiful? Fantastic. It's presentable. I love this tray. And here is the result from our tutorial today. Spicy ponmo. It is so delicious, spicy, peppered, and I love the little onion ringlets on it for people that love eating raw onions. I don't because I enjoy my bread smelling fresh. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate having you here. Don't forget, before you go, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media. I'll see you next week.